Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you another quick, simple and tasty fried rice dish. I've made a few of these fried rices, but this one is with mint and is extra special. So let's get straight into it. So here's what we're going to need for this beautiful recipe. I've got some beautiful fresh mint from my garden, some cooked rice. I've got 6 cups of cooked rice, and we've got coconut oil, chana dal, raw peanuts, urad dal, salt, chillies. We've got a cinnamon sticks and some clove, fresh curry leaves, ginger and garlic, turmeric, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. So let's get started. So I'm going to start first by blending up my mint leaves. So I've got some green chilies, a bit of lemon juice. I decided to add some lemon juice to this, which I didn't tell you earlier, so this is optional. My fresh ginger and garlic, and a stick of cinnamon and some cloves. And we're just going to blend that up into a nice paste. Okay, so let's get started. Heat your pan up, and we're going to start with our oil. I've got coconut oil. Of course, you can use any vegetable oil for this. Let that melt. Once the oil is melted and heated up nicely, we're going to start with our peanuts. You can use cashews if you don't like peanuts. We're going to add our dhal, urad dal, mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Mix that through for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, that's crackling and it's looking good. In goes my curry leaves. And now it's time for my beautiful mint to go in that I had blended up earlier. We're going to cook this through for about 5 minutes till it reduces in quantity and changes color. Just a pinch of turmeric, salt, okay, now this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. I've had to dry all the water up that I blended the mint in, so we get a nice dry paste. Otherwise we end up with soggy rice. But the whole time I've been standing here and stirring this. So just keep an eye on it. It's looking good now and it's dried up. And if you could only smell that coconut oil and mint, it smells absolutely delicious with a hint of the nuts. So do try this recipe. I've got quite a few rice recipes, so have a look through and they're all delicious. Now you can eat this on its own, or if you've got some leftover chicken, like a roast chicken that you could shred up and add to this, that would be great. Or you can, at this stage, add some frozen veggies in, or fresh veggies, and, you know, make it into a nice veggie fried rice with mint. So just experiment. Okay, as you can see, that's dried up nicely, and it's time for the rice to go in. Mix that through nicely. Look at that. Smells beautiful. Okay, I'm loving the way this has turned out. It looks absolutely delicious, smells delicious. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments what you think. You won't be disappointed. Okay, just do a quick taste test. That tastes beautiful. Got a little bit of bite from the chili, a little bit of lemon. Lovely. So here we have beautiful mint fried rice. So let me know what you think in the comments. And I have done a beautiful tomato rice and a lemon rice. I will leave a link in the description below. Enjoy and look forward to seeing you in the next video.